Welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to set comment moderation for your YouTube videos. If you want to stop comments, if you want to stop people from commenting on all your subsequent videos, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. And if you notice that people cannot comment on your videos, you want to see what is going on, I'm going to be showing you where the fault is coming from. So what you want to do, you want to go to your YouTube website. That is, you want to go to the YouTube web page, which is the www.youtube.com and not the YouTube app. So you can do this by using your Chrome browser or your Safari browser. Once you get to YouTube, this is what your YouTube will show to you. This is the YouTube homepage. So I want you to check the bottom right corner. You're going to see a circle over there. That is your profile. I want you to tap on that. So once you tap on that profile, it will take you to this page. So on this page, if you check the top, you're going to see your name written over there. Under the name, you're going to see view channel. So I want you to tap on that view channel. So once you tap on that view channel, it will take you to this page. So on this page, I want you to check the middle very well. You're going to see where it says customize channel. So I want you to tap on that customize channel. Once you tap on customize channel, it will take you to your YouTube studio where you are going to change the settings. So once you tap on customize channel, it will bring you to this page. So this is the YouTube studio. If you check the bottom left corner, you're going to see a settings icon over there. So I want you to tap on that settings icon. So once you tap on that settings icon, it will pop up this little page for you. So on this page, I want you to select the upload by default. If you check the left side, you're going to see it there. Upload default rather. So once you tap on the upload default, I just want you to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to I want you to tap on the advanced settings. So change this to advanced settings. Once you change this to advanced settings, I want you to scroll down. You are going to see where it says comments. I want you to tap on that. So if this is on, that means anybody can comment on your YouTube channel, on your YouTube videos you uploaded to your YouTube channel. But if you change this to comments off, this means nobody will be able to comment on your YouTube videos. So guys, this is how you can actually set up your comment moderation for your YouTube videos. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.